but you can go there. You can swim, Kian. Remove your t-shirt. Tin.
I'm just gonna stand. I can remove my slipper.
You want to go there?
You can swim, Kian.
Is this seawater?
Okay.
Sure.
Is this like seawater or sea?
No, it's a fresh water,
You
natural.
want to go there? You want to go there? Wherever you want.
Yeah.
We will walk in the water.
Yes.
So
At least it's not deep for our feet.
in the bag.
Yeah.
Put them in the bag.
At least it's not deep for our feet. Kian, come. No, don't come here. Give a Kian since I can't swim. Only my legs touch the water. It's not even deep.
We walk in the water.
Can we head in?
And we sit there, eat fruits.
Yeah.
We keep here?
Keep here.
Ah.
Oh, there.
They keep their things here. Your shoes, hon, you need to remove. Huh?
حط لي هون.
Here.
Wait.
Hey, yalla, go, mama, go. Remove your slipper, Cheyenne. You remove your slipper.
Go there. Go there.
Ah.
Hey, even.
Sige yan. Yan, nagtampisaw tayo. Yaret, we bring our... How we go down? Oh my God. Yeah, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Wow. It's too cold. Yes, it's cold. Oh my God.
Very cold.
Ah, ang linaw, oh. Lift up your shirt.
Oh, it's not so cold. Very good.
Here, Dad. Ah.
Someone hold my hand, please.
Hold, Kian. Oh my God. Be careful, Han. Ah, my short si Mister. Ooh. There, wow. It's too cold too.
My feet is cold. Kian, come.
Oh my God. We will bring, yes, we will bring rocks, remembrance.
This hurts me. The rocks hurt. Get the best rock. The rocks hurt.
Yes, you did not tell.
Look, black rocks. Look at that.
Ang ganda, guys. Oh my God. Nakaka-thrill. Mister.
Ah, my feet. You got our shoes?
Yes.
Ah, this hurts. The rocks hurt. Why is it hot? The rocks?
Here.
Sure, you don't even see the car.
Oh my God, what an experience.
First time and last time hiking. No, thank you.
Yeah.
It's like
Para kaming nasa Pilipinas ba?
here you can step. Yeah, yeah. I'm glad there's no fish.
You're scared
As
to
if
eat?
fish touches me, خلاص.
Ang lamig, sobra.
No, it's fresh.
Yes.
It's like this in the
Philippines.
no, in the pool. The water. Getting deeper.
Yes, be careful.
Mommy,
Here, Mama. Oh my God.
it's too deep. The water is too deep.
Yes, it's nice.
The
Oh,
water is
wow.
deep. I need anything.
Oh my God. Ang ganda guys, sobra. Nawala ang pagod namin. Parang nasa Pilipinas kami. Hey guys, dito kami magpwesto. Tingin kami ng place kung saan kami pwesto. Ganda guys, sobra. Ano pa siya? Nature, ang tawag nito lake ito.
Okay, wait, I put my head. I want to go.
You want to swim?
And I want to like.
Hanik.
I want to put my.
Put
This
your...
is your food. Mommy, this is your food.
Let her a bit. She never eats.
Mommy, my slipper.
Yalla, hold it.
Oh. Wow, look at the sand. It's like.
What?
But we don't have sand, but we have sand. Wow. I'm not sure. My body will be wet. We don't have towels.
It's okay, you will be dry. Here, we put our things here in the grass. Here, oh, nice. Wow, ang ganda dun, green. It's cold, eh? Here, we put our things here.
Mommy, show honey. Honey. Hi, mommy.
Here, Han, no? Okay. Ganda, oh. Here.
I am going.
Yes, yalla, go now. Yalla, swim, remove your t-shirt. Dito na kami. After how many years? Mag-picture tayo guys. Picture. Dito ko ilagay para makita ko ba. Kasi dito yung mga papers namin. Yalla! Yalla, Kian!
That's my phone.
Remove Haida if you want to take shower. I
Where's my
take
phone?
the phone.
Take shower?
To swim, I said. Yes, Habibi. Hey, go, Mama. Cheyenne, remove your scapular. It's not with you? This side, there is
I like to step on the rock.
rocks. Haida, it's not rocks.
That's sand.
Ah, it's sand. Go there, I will take you.
There's a snakefish.
Nafi snake. Haida, Habibi, takot sila sa snake. Ah,
Stomach is not good.
le.
Very cold on the stomach.
No, Habibi, why you scared? Eh, look how they are swimming there.
Mommy, my balls hurt.
Doon kami galing guys kanina nung nagtambay kami. Doon. Tapos umikot-ikot kami ganyan hanggang nakarating kami doon. Ito na kami. Daming tao. Really, it's a tourist spot. Maray, mga tatanda din. Kunin ko yung hat ko kasi mainit. Hi guys, andito na kami. Explore. Hala ba Joy? But Joy, I want to do this. We will take 1 piece, 2 piece. What is this? Ini semento. Kakaiba ano? May sand siya. Pero natural ito. Tara, let's go here.
Daddy, we'll go over there. Is that a fish?
No, a wood. It's it's like river. It's like lizard.
It's like a fish.
Yalla, Abba, chef, swim now.
No, I'm not swimming. I'm entering here.
Oh, napaka-green doon. Oh.
Here, Mommy. Mommy, I'll enter here in my body. You scaring me. I wonder it's fresh. Oh, yeah, please. But I don't want to touch body. Look, Mommy.
What?
I will meet you, honey. Mommy, you will see me there.
There.
There, at the end of the day.
No, it's deep, Mama. No, don't go there.
You're joking. I'm entering. I'm entering. I want to hide up, but you didn't get me a hide up.
Hala, it will dry, Habibi.
My underwear.
It's okay, it will dry. Mister, andun siya. Oh, ang lawig-lawig. Be careful ha, maybe it's deep. Oh, look this one. Kids, look this one. There is something here. Look, what is this? No. Nagbababble siya guys. Oh, ano kaya to?
That's like a stinger or crab. Get away.
Crabs?
Mommy. Mommy, that might be a stinger or
Ah.
a crab. Get away.
No, it's not crab. Oh my god. It's too cool. Here kids, it's not deep. It's not deep.
Where is Daddy?
There.
This is fun. Splashing water on nothing.
Wala, may shoes guys. Oh. Pero, ang dumi. Alam nyo kung ma-improve nila ito, maganda. Pero maganda siya. Mama, the camera.
Mommy, where are we going?
Here, Mama. Saan kaya ito?
Okay, I'm going fast now.
No. Here, look. Oh.
There was a wood. I don't like beach. Oh, now the wind is making it cold since I have water in my stomach. I feel fish on me.
Where is Daddy? He's...
We want to go there.
Yala, let's go now there.
We want to go with the rocks.
Yes.
You can't run. Why can't you run in water? I don't understand. What is this?
Oh, malalim siya.
Shell! Is he shell?
Where?
It's not a seashell, that's a can.
Oh, be careful.
Wait, they're throwing stuff. I want to swim. Too bad for mine.
It will dry, Habibi, when we arrive. Believe me.
I don't want only my legs. I feel hot here. That's deep.
Daming tao doon. Bala, Habibi, it will dry. It's okay, Mama, it will dry, Habibi. Where? Yeah. Don't touch. It's for them. It's there. It's batu. My batu. Look yan. Wet your hair, Mama. Your body. Le. You know how to swim. It's very nice there, Han. They are swimming there, look. Yalla, أنا
ما بدي اروح.
it's very nice.
Can I remove my shirt?
Very, very green. Why it's green there?
I know. Mommy, can I remove my shirt? My shirt.
What are you? Ako naman dito kasi walang magbantay yung things namin ba. I'm here. Na. Okay. We can take them.
Should take them.
Parang lang kaming fish, oh. Ay, isda lang, fish. Yalagan mo to. Maraming isda. Han! Here! There is fish. Too much fish.
You see the bubble?
What is that, Han?
Look.
What is that bubble, Han?
I think can see fish or crabs or something.
Ah, really? We could catch the crab. Yeah.
No,
You see?
crabs are dangerous.
Yeah. There is crab. There is fish also. Very nice. Oh my God. We can catch crab and we will take to the house.
So we make
Ligo na si Mister. You can go there, Han.
Mommy, come.
No, I'm making vlog. The camera. You cannot go there, Han? Wait, yung gamit kasi ngayon nandun. Yes, I'm making. Katakot, baka mahulog ba tong camera? Okay. Hey, what's that? 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Careful the camera.
Yes. Yes, it's okay. I think it's deep there, Han. There.
Careful the camera thing.
I'm watching.
My bracelet, it's gonna fall. This is so special to me.
The camel, your necklace.
This? No.
Chabi, be.
If you drop it, it's not our problem. If you drop it, it's not our problem.
It's your problem.
It's our problem. You didn't touch.
Get down. Get down so you're not too cold. Get down on and then get out. Heck, on. Heck. As if you are sitting.
He forgot to swim.
As if you are sitting.
I know how to swim, but not like cold water.
Yeah, as if you are sitting, Baba. Heck, look. Sit fast and get up.
But I'm surprised
Close your eyes.
how the sand enter here.
Shabak.
I didn't get sand as well. I want towels for water.
You're over.
يلا.
The camera, ha? Ay, malalim na siya, guys. Ganda. Han, the camera. Malalim na siya.
This eye now hurts.
Yala, go to daddy. Baka may lobster kasi may... You could go there, fish, small...
Huh?
I'm not used to swim in cold water without a towel. Oh my god.
When you go out, you will not feel cold. You will feel warm. When you go out of the water, you will feel warm.
Looks like there's a
Mama, the
cave
camera.
here.
Where?
I don't know where.
I will put once in Italy.
Italy? Philippines. Philippines.
Once in Italy. Once in...
Left in Italy, Haida?
Yeah, sure.
Really?
Hello? Or once in Switzerland. People don't know. Once.
Another here if you want.
It's very nice. Heck, it's very nice. The water is like blue lagoon.
Go, Hanik.
You will take me.
Not too much.
You will get down in there and take me so it's this heck. Fish heck. Got it?
Okay.
Then you will get down on your knees. You will take the picture heck. Little bit water in front of me. And then behind me and the trees.
Ako ang taga-picture. Hello.
And then I'm getting out of the water. I'm walking out of the water.
Video na lang kita, mister.
You see? You can be
The one that makes the biggest win.
May crabs dito kasi
Yala.
umaano yung tubig.
And
Na,
stay down.
where? May fish.
Lahan.
Na,
Stay down. Careful your side. Careful the camera. Hold.
okay. Alam nyo yung ambience. Parang sa Palawan. Pero hindi ko alam kung ganito. Ano, ganda siya. Yung tubig is green. Nakikita ko lang sa internet yung Palawan. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dun. Pero ang ganda. Ganda dito, guys. Alam nyo yung tubig. Ang lamig. Tapos napaka tinaw. Where, Han? Here? You just sit on. Yes. Ito, handa natin yung prutas. Gutom na kami.
Prutas bukas.
Prutas. May prutas kami. Pero, ito, I will dry your t-shirt. Wet.
خلاص جيبيها جيبيها no need. Where's my
What?
where's the second cassette? Maybe one. Oh, that's good.
Take the tupperware. Kids, come!
What kind of food it's hot.
Yalla ta kids.
يعني هو طيب ليش
Wait, I
لا
will
خلي
take
طلع.
picture.
Not now, mommy.
You don't want to eat fruits?
No, don't.
What you doing?
Making a sad man. Look. We want to get rocks. Do you want to come?
Hala, but sure when we go there.
I wish no one ruins this. Ruins the snowman
Yeah.
when we're gone. No.
Eh, doon kami galing guys. Doon, andun na yung kanina. Doon kami nag-stay kanina doon, oh. Tapos, yan. Dami ding turista ba? There is a fish, you know? May
I know,
isda.
I told you. Yeah, I told you.
Hey, mister. You said me in Philippines?
This is it. Palawan.
Palawan daw. Init sobra. Kain po tayo. May prutas po kami. Pero ito lang dala ko. May banana pa. May banana, han. Oh. Let the kids eat banana.
Kaki yan. French yan. You want banana?
Di man eat ito na.
My hand.
Banana.
My hand.
Frutas.
My hand.
شو هذا هون؟
Nay, it's smashed now. Yo, oh,
My hands. How about my hands?
they are full. Kalas ay kiss.
How about my hands?
It's okay, habibi.
هدي هدي.
Yala, open, mama. Open, habibi. Kainin ko tong na-smash
It
na
is
banana.
covered in water.
It's okay, habibi.
Can't even open. F.
Yes, it's okay, habibi.
Frutas.
But it's smashed only.
With water.
Frutas yan.
Frutas, Tagalog.
No, but does not taste nice.
Wala, teka.
Water.
Nice experience.
What time is it?
We should wake up early.
Oh look, over there.
Yeah, we stood there a while ago. But Haram, they are destroying. The garbage too much in the inside. I don't like teenager, huh? School? They are playing. Naglalaro sila. Naglalaro ng mga teenager. Pero alam nyo mga age mga yan, mga ano pa yan, 15, 16, mga ganun. Mature sila. Nasa 15, 16, mga ganyan sila. Ayan. Malolobat na din ako. You wanna go in Palawan? You wanna go in Palawan?
No, not
No?
now.
Not now? They said you sent me in Philippines because you want to marry somebody.
Ah, really?
Are you sending me like alone in Philippines?
Sleep, sleep. Sleep.
No.
They think like in Philippines they send their wives to work in the Middle East so they get rid of them there. Either there they think like this. No, we don't think like this.
Ayan. Yan ang sagot ni Mr. Sa mga nagsasabing
Kids,
I will go there kasi mag-aasawa
Yan.
siya, hindi po.
yalla boy.
Okay. The banana you don't want to take it. Put in the basket. Atene, I will eat. Parang, or I will give to Kia. Ay, dalawa pa. Ay, siya yan ito isa. This one, oh, it's not smash. Take the other one. This one. Yala, kids, your things. Ay. Okay. Yala. We will pick rocks there. And one piece. Mag-ano tayo, kuha tayo ng pangludlod. May magagandang rocks doon, bato.
Our feet now.
Ah?
Out our feet now.
Hala, we will there. We will put. I have wipes. But inshallah, there when we cross the river.
See like these? When they're moving.
Too much.
They were in the
Ang
they were in the water of Sky Weather. They make like this when the water is stable here. You know, that's why I told you to like
okay.
this, but smaller. Like this. Yeah, let's go.
Look yan, they're swimming.
Oh, you are.
No, it's